Hi, I'm Nandita. I have been and brought up from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation from NAGA NANDITHA Engineering College in the stream of Computer Science in the year 2024. I have joined Jspiders in the year 2024 in the month of April. I have taken course in Java full stack and trainers like Vivek sir taught me on Java, Afrod sir on SQL and web technology on Nigaraj sir. So I have learned many things. They have not only taught me on syllabus, and also they have taught me moral values and entertaining the class by not getting bored. And mock interviews, grooming session, presentation helped me to improve my technical skills.